Have you ever thought about how the electricity in your home works? Hi, I'm TJ from Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning. On this episode of Now You Know, we're going to talk about the importance of your electrical panel, how it works, and certain things you should look out for. The main service panel of your house is traditionally located in the basement. It controls all of the electricity in your home. Power from the utility company enters your home through the utility line on the outside of your house, through the meter socket, and into your service panel. It then distributes the electricity through individual circuits to the electrical devices throughout your home. These circuits are protected by electrical safety devices called circuit breakers. Circuit breakers are designed to trip when they detect an overload or a short circuit. Not only can an electrical overload damage your panel, but it can also wreak havoc on your appliances and electrical devices. When a circuit breaker trips, the switch gets thrown into a tripped position, which interrupts the flow of current. In order to reset the circuit breaker, you simply move the switch to the off position and then back to the on position. Only do this once. If it keeps tripping, your breaker is trying to let you know that there is a problem. Like any mechanical device, breakers can fail and should be replaced when that happens. As we mentioned before, an electrical surge can cause extensive damage to your home's appliances and electronics. A whole home surge protector can help prevent an overload from happening and works by diverting high voltage away from the electrical system, which prevents it from reaching your appliances. Outdated service panels often have issues with malfunctioning circuits, weak power supplies, and even have the potential for electrical fires. If you notice warm outlets, buzzing sounds coming from the panel, flickering lights, a burning smell, signs of moisture, rust, or corrosion, these are safety hazards. They could lead to an electrical emergency, and you should contact Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning or your preferred electrical company immediately. They'll do an inspection of your electrical system and let you know if anything needs to be replaced or if you need to upgrade your service panel. We recommend having an electrical inspection done every 3 to 5 years depending on the age of your home. And now you know.